What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Burger Lou from Brawl Stars. Let's get started at the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the top left. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye. And then pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to lap the top of that circle. Let's bring that down towards the same height. And carefully bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to push the pupils towards the inside of each eye. So starting on the top left, we're going to draw an oval. Coming down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up. Let's line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's add those diamond shapes inside each pupil. Starting from the top center, curve this down and out towards the left. Go back up to the top, pull this in towards the inside. I'm just going to curve this down towards the bottom. Coming in and then down. And it'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's fill in the outside. Let's go to the center and draw a circle for the mouth. Starting right in the middle, go all the way around, and then back up. And then going over towards the left side, let's curve the tongue, going up and then down, and then fill that top half in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the head. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's curve the head coming down in the middle, just underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up on the right. Now I'm going to curve the side of the head going up, in towards the middle, and then down in the center. Let's start back on the left, go straight up, round up the head. I'm just going to pull that down in the middle. And it'll do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, rounding out the head, and then pulling that down on the right. Let's go out to the side and draw two ovals for the cheeks. Starting on the left, come down, and then back up. Now you want to line this up on the right side. And then we'll sprinkle some sesame seeds along the top of the head. Let's start on the left with a small oval. Come in, we're just going to change the angle. Coming down and around. One in the center of the forehead. And just work our way over towards the right. Now you want to place the hat on top of the head. Let's start on the left side. Start with a straight angled line, going up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the right side, we're going to curve this in and then down across towards the left. Go to the top left side and just tuck this in behind in the center. Let's close off the top of the hat. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then bend that down. And then we'll add a small circle on the right side. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the body. Let's start with the bow tie. In the center, we'll step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And then on the sides, draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the knot. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go to the top corners of the knot, curve this up and out towards the bottom edge of the head. Come down to the bottom of the knot, curve down and then out. Now you want to round up the side of the bow tie. Starting on the top left, curve this out and then back in. Let's add a thick stripe on either side of the bow tie. Starting from this point, draw a straight line coming down, step in, draw that again. And then we'll add a fold. On the left side of the knot, curve up and out. Do the same on the right. Let's tuck the bottom of the bun underneath the bow tie. Starting on the left, curve this out and then in. Just rounding out the side. Now I want to connect the ends with a curve, coming down and in behind the bow tie. Continue out and up on the right. Let's go back over toward the left side, curve out and then down. And then we'll connect the ends with a wavy line. Starting on the left, come down and up, bend the top, come down, and we'll just continue this all the way across towards the right side. Let's take the same curve and trace it along the top. Stepping up, just follow that same curve for the top of the lettuce, going all the way in, and then across towards the right. From the bottom corners of the lettuce, let's step in, draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the patty. Connect the ends with a straight line. Let's add the corner of the cheese on the left side. Starting down here, curve down and then in, curve up and in underneath the patty. Let's go back out to the side and round out the side of the bun. Curving out and then in. Now to connect the ends with a slight curve, coming down the middle, then we'll bend that back up. And we'll draw the bottom of the bun. Starting back on the left side, curve this down in the middle, round this out, and then go up on the right. Now we're going to stick the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting back on the left, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Let's round out the top of the feet. Starting back on the left, go up, and then just bend that down, leaving a gap along the bottom. I'm going to go to the top of the foot. We're going to curve the leg going up and in underneath the body. Let's separate the top of the boot. From the top of the foot, we'll step up, curve down, and then in. Now you want to add some stripes across the pant. From the top left side, step in and go down and out. From the inside, we'll step out, draw another angled line. Now draw two more lines along the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the inside, and the outside, and we'll add two more lines along the center. Now we're going to move up and draw the left arm holding the french fries. Let's start from the bottom corner of the bun, curve the arm coming down, and then out with a short line, and then we'll curl around the thumb. Going up, bend the thumb coming down, round out the tip of the thumb, and pull that back up. Now on the outside of the thumb, we're going to step over and draw an oval for the first finger, and all the way around and then in. Let's tuck another one underneath, stepping down, curve around, in, and then up underneath. Now I'm going to layer the box in behind the hand. In between the index finger and the thumb, let's draw a straight line going across. Then on top of the finger, and go up and out. Go to the top of the thumb, go out in an angle, and we'll pull that in with a short line. Let's connect the inside with a half circle, coming down and then up. Now we're going to add some stripes. On the left side, draw a straight line coming down, do the same thing on the right side. Let's add one more finger on the outside. Starting up here, curving out, and then back in. Let's close off the inside of the hand. Starting from the wrist, curving in around the thumb, come down and then up underneath the bottom finger. Now to step in, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's go back up to the top and add in those french fries. From the top corner, step in and go up and out. Flatten off the top, and then pull that down in behind the box. Let's add another one. We're going to go straight up, flatten off the top, and then come straight down. Let's add another one on the inside. Angling up and in, flatten off the top, and we'll just tuck this in behind. Let's layer a few more french fries in behind. Start from the top, go up, straight in, and pull that straight down, and we'll add one more on the inside. Let's add that thick cuff around the wrist. Starting from the thumb, step in, just follow that same curve going all the way around towards the bottom. And we'll add a couple stripes along the inside of the arm. Angling up, step down, and add a couple more along the bottom. Now I'm going to move over and draw on the right arm. Starting from the bottom of the bun, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then we'll do the same thing. Curving up towards the top of the thumb, bending that down, rounding out the thumb, and then going back up. Let's curl 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, come down to the bottom, add another oval, going up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now just like we did on the left side, let's close off the hand. Starting from the wrist, curve in, down, and then up underneath the bottom finger. Go to the inside, curve the bottom of the arm coming in and up. Let's add in that thick cuff. Stepping in, going all the way around, and then we'll add in those stripes. From the top, step down and add 2 more. And that's pretty much it. There's Burger Lou from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.